everyone, this is Angel, and I have came to the conclusion that I want to start YouTube after all. So I am off work this weekend and I would want to do a weekend vlog. So I'm going to start the vlog from Friday. Today is Friday. I still have work tonight, but I'm going to start it today because it's already the weekend. So I'm not sure what exactly I'm going to do this weekend. I don't normally do anything, but I am going to vlog it because I am starting YouTube, so I just need to do something and do anything. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do now. I am tired, I am sleepy, as you may see, but I'm going to make something to eat and then get some rest, and then when I'm up, I'm not sure what I'm going to do next, but that's it. So let's start this vlog. Cheese. I'm just gonna put one cheese in it. As I said, I don't really like salt, and you know cheese having like a salt in there, like a sodium, so just I use like a black pepper. Pancake. Look at this. And milk, so no matter. Then I use forks to eat because so here am I. Gonna eat because I want to sleep. What are the lips, no?
How is a marketing manager in a business, for instance, different from a salesman?
So guys, I'm home and just shower. So I'm going to get some chores done and then I get back. Some breakfast. I have festival and then just finish what I do and get back. Bye.
Don't take this thing out these words before I say them, cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing name. When I say I'm gonna do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think.
So guys, I totally forgot that I was vlogging a weekend vlog. So I woke up, the last clip that I saw I think was yesterday morning. Never have no strength left yesterday. I don't know what I do, but I'm really tired. But I'm up on my morning walk now. And remember, I said I did a vlog, so yeah, that way I don't know. I'm gonna know what else for the day, but let me vlog this. So guys, I'm walking at the early morning. I mean, I said somebody can't throw us some money. And nobody no pass fancy, but on them road that people no walk. I drive then drive, so I start with say, you that blow to somebody car. Wishful thinking. Cause somebody not let go no money. Me all they find $20. Just say me they spend me cause the money. At primary school, cause I love money too much. So guys, I have a good story. So I used to go to primary school and I must grade 2. And I have one cousin, but in grade 1, I breed 2 short people. So I stop on that. I'm so now, he give me lunch money for keep because he don't want to spend it. So me get my lunch money and put it to them in my pocket. So when lunchtime come, I'm going to go for buy lunch. Me I buy my normal chips and juice or patty or bun or something. And me go in my pocket. And I say, what heap of money? Yes, I've ratted. I save this one yesterday. I don't remember where this come from. You know what greedy me do? Buy 2 lunch. 2 lunch. So now, apparently they have me lunch already, but he want juice. So I come for money from me. See me 2 chubby. Patty. I think I want patty me buy, but 2 chubby. I don't know why me buy 2 chubby. Greedy. So now, when he come and say want buy 1 chubby, me depend on, at that time I all the time realize that him give me money for keep. Me have to just take up a chubby. Yeah, me now. Look at my liar self. Yeah, me twin now. So they buy a chubby already. When if you go home now, remember, I have here some money for fair and everything. Me now, I have to walk down my yard and give me a fare. He never far, but Pitney used to walk. And I say never far. Pitney used to walk, but the shortcut wouldn't go through. Then you say rape man there through there. No one like a rape man there everywhere. So now, I say, I go through it. So this specific place today, with 1 stick in the ground. Then say that the rape man I go put it on. Jesus. Me run past it. I reach back on my yard. I know you know send me the eat the money. I want to tell her say, I tell other people, I tell my sister. I never tell him. So Alden, if I ever watch this, I am so sorry. But me buy 2 lunch with the money. Why? I'm tired. But I don't know how far this more, but I uphill. So you know say my ties them they on fire. But I soon reach my destination. I want to tell you say normally when I walk, it take longer than this. But through me a chat, it can pass by quick. Oh boy. I want to say I wake up late, come and set the alarm for 5 o'clock. But no 5 o'clock. I look out the door dark. So I now come out so late. But it's a rain but so I don't think it's funny that come out so quick either come out but not yet. Ooh. Fern gully with fern on the side. Walk from past the corner of the run, so I'm probably go right there, so we're not see Gressa Road. Because that makes sense. You know, guys, how long more to start the gym? But you me no want nothing hinder me from go. I know me not go joining. I mean no work still. And sometimes I'm tired from work. And we may go get time sometime. I forgot make it time though, but I don't know. Come face white. My business. Early morning. I'm start silk sweat. Man, they just a pass all up on me like him. I say, it's a girl that alone and walk. I'm afraid somebody take him. Oh boy. Foot them. Guys, if you let me, I'm going to turn back now. Oh, Jesus. Guys, I'm tired, but good thing about the morning is the sun not hot on the road quick. It hot up on them place. People them must see me. I live up so. I say, oh, this today. Road I chat so early. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, I can see it. See there, right there, so. Right there, so. I carry a pause. Come over on the sidewalk and I don't want to carry it. Why? I can't, brother. As simple as I see my face, so, you know, I sweat, but my back wet, yeah, I run down in my tights. I saw me stay, I sweat in my face. Me sweat a little bit, but my back wet. Hello. I don't know how that goes, but I can't even let me know how. I don't know how nobody turn back for me. I joke, but I don't know how. Let me see if I can catch my camera. So. What is that? Yeah. That's me. That's fine. Let's have it do I look ugly but it's pretty. I don't know. Kinda pretty. They have up on it tall though. Guys, everywhere I go meet trouble people flowers. I know people flowers this, you know, but I don't know. And them they're wild too, but they're pretty. You know, say that I told right there, so though. Yeah, I told one man did crush one man and one girl. The crush off I told them in our yard. It's a long story. Can't tell you that story another day. Just carry them a pass down. See them? So I go under the toll. No. Enough of the road. I don't want to see my big face. Boy. When me take off 10 pounds, I start go to the gym. Because you know, that's what motivate me and say, yes girl, you take off 10, you know, and put your hand back, so start go to the gym. Yes, yes girl, go to the gym. Go to the gym, yeah, go to the gym. Go to the gym, yeah, go to the gym. Oh Jesus, I'm mad girl. So, if you know I'm mad out, take my advice and watch this. Carry pass again. I want to see it. Oh, boss. See me no know, and it could have been one I rape a man bust them and me look. So I got sometime when they know they not have no you not have no they want. You not pay no man. Oh boy. I do it guys, me safe on the road here. Nothing bad now happened to me. Well, God forbid, but I don't think so. But I am praying. Chuck a pass up on its wall. If me tell anybody say I so far me walk go such a short time, they'll say I lie. But I true. I want to now. I don't like it and say like I echo. But it's short. Yes guys. So beach as well I can say, but through early morning I have to go down there to make you focus. The sun out, but the person pretty. But you know people, we just like vegetation overall and trees and them something there. See there. And if I can go up on the wall, I don't like in a car vehicle will come from up there so and crash right into the wall. One truck the run right over there. So. But if I go up so I can go up there by so. Oh, that's a bush up man, I don't want to step in the gully. Let me see. In the bush up. Yeah. But maybe 1,000. I used to climb and look in so I know. See beach there. So now, if you come back down, I go back same place and jump. Because at this point I know my foot slip out. And sometimes I jump in a hole. Vehicle come. I'll wait till this pass because I don't want to run in the back of me. Now because I'm big, that don't mean say me a vehicle. So then we see me and say, the girl then and carry put to the door. Then we see me and say, that look like one truck running in the back car. Oh, bad. That's a wickedness. I must have said that dirty girl I can't chat. A joke. I must have said we can't chat so. And I mean some more the weekend video. And from yesterday, you know guys, from yesterday if I'm reaching I eat. If I'm reaching I eat yesterday. I do not, well, me eat and I wash them. Because you know me uniform them that dirty for the 5 years them I'm wash. I'm clean up my bathroom. I'm gonna do all of them something there, but guess what? Show me them then I last long. I don't want to do them there again. But you see last night now I get miserable because I'm tired coming to sleep from there. And nobody working all night. So I get miserable. I'm leaving too up on my phone. Because I just not try to sleep, but I saw me stay. I'm not going to just, when I touch certain time, I'm not going to drop asleep. I'm not going to sleep because I'm not going to sleep in the night. I did want to sleep in the night so I can get up in the morning. If I do what I want to do. I want to go beach too, guys. I want to go beach. But I'm not sure how that can go work out. So let's see how the morning goes. So guys, I just have a little way to go. So I'm going to stop this right so and then pick it up back if I do something. I look for my pan when I use water my flowers and I can't find it. It's not OTV. I don't know where they. I think Corona said it, but not. You know, nothing. I'm vexed, you know. Because it looks like a throw and throw ever. And now can I treat this one? I don't call it a lychee. Lychee. No, I told them so one day so. I wonder so. Guys, I put a stone at the behind them because no dog trouble them. Sleep on the floor. So guys, I finished make the porridge. See there, it's just oats porridge, that's it. And I'm going to heat now, drink. I don't know, there's a porridge, eat whatever drink, soup drink. But I'm gonna eat and then pick up back the camera. So guys, we start my dinner. So I season up my peas. I'm gonna start. I'm gonna wash when this boil up. I'm gonna wash the rice, put it in. I see start boil up there. And this is my chicken on me fry. I'm gonna fry it up and then cook it down. Guys, this is my seasoning I'm going to use for my meat, my chicken, to cook it down. Yeah. So that's our Irish, tomato, carrot, scallion, onion, thyme, sweet pepper, hot pepper, and garlic. So guys, everything basically finished. So this, the rice. It almost finished. Well, it's actually finished. And inside the meat. And guys, I'm gonna get some crab, so I curry it. But I know I did cook already, so easy. So this actually finished. This is the vegetable, just that and that for today. Guys, this is how it looks when it almost finished. But I'm not going to see when I share this because I'm going to the beach, and when I come back I eat. I'm not in the line. And I have to try up to no one. No table then. Guys, Maricha Beach. So guys, I'm back from the beach and I come home, I eat dinner and no more sleep, but I can't. So I'm gonna prepare my stuff then for work tomorrow because I have work tomorrow, and then wash my hair, and then I go to bed. That's it. So this is the end of my vlog, my weekend vlog. Like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Bye.